Guys, so this is medium mode. If you're trying to get the coconut badge, no, the firework, well, don't ask how I got this. And I don't have Robux for the Mace Cameraman. I just traded a Cinder Star. I had 2 of them and 2 Tiny Prisoners. But don't ask how I got the Tiny Prisoners. Because a lot of people, yeah, not saying that. Guys, the coconut one comes on way. Oh my god, that's a lot of toilets that's coming in. Well, I want more toilets. Let's see if they can make it to 400. Phantom tax. Oh my god, we actually got to 400. Bro, we're literally getting there to 100. I mean, 400. Watch this. See, bro? We got to 400 already. So, I mean, we get it to 400, I guess. Oh, we got it with 400. We got a 400. Wave 19, guys. And then y'all can see me get it. And I need a little bit more to get to the new UGC. The new item that's for Zito Bobux. Wave 19. This is medium mode. Palm Paradise. Please give me more subs because I'll do the dance of 87. Like I just got the dance of 87. I don't know how to do it. Can we actually get 500? Now we just gotta make 600. That's our goal. Oh, but I don't know if we can defeat him vacuum turret. Guys, the reason why I turned my volume down because it would be too loud for y'all. And y'all would not like this. So that's why I put down the sound. But we're gonna turn the FFX. I can't. Wait, what? Playing ball. The Phantom tag. Oh, wave 18, but I don't know why it's coming that early. See? Yo, we got the coconut. I thought it was supposed to be on wave 19, but that's crazy how it's early. Well, hope y'all like this video and make sure to subscribe because I will eat an raw egg if we get 25 subs. Nah, I feel like 50 subs if y'all can do it. If y'all can do it, then I'll eat a raw egg. And it's not clickbait. Well, bye.